In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect PS5 to phone Wi-Fi hotspot. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, you can do this on PS5 and PS5 Pro. Let's say your home internet is down, but you still want to be able to play games, so you want to connect to your mobile hotspot. All you want to do is go over to your settings, then go to network, and then go over to settings. Make sure connect to the internet is on, then go to set up internet connection. Now currently I'm on wired LAN, but all you want to do on your phone is go ahead and make sure your personal hotspot is turned on. So you can do that on iPhone, Android, whatever you have. And then when you go over to networks found, you basically just want to look for it. So if it doesn't show up, just refresh it, go back over here, and then you're eventually going to go ahead and find it. So now mine is right here. It says iPhone hotspot. So all I got to do is just enter the password for iPhone hotspot. Once I've entered it, go ahead and press OK. It's going to be connecting to the access point and connecting to the internet, obviously depending on your connectivity. And there we go. It's connected and it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.